Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Panasonic GH5, and now I'm gonna show you all you need about Luminance level. To find it in the open settings and camera settings, here you have Luminance level on the second block. And so this setting on this device, it determines the range of luminance values that are recorded in your footage. For example, from 0 to 255. So these settings allow the camera to capture the full range of luminance values from 0, poor black, to 255, poor white. However, it seems that this option can't be selected, possibly due to compatibility issues or restriction imposed by other settings, or because my lens. Really, I don't know why I have created this item. From 16 to 235, so when set to this range, the camera captures luminance values from 16, so slightly above poor black, but not poor black, to 265, so slightly below poor white. So this range is commonly used in video production and broadcasting standards. So I suggest you use this item. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!